Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by clarifying goals and who will learn. This frames every design choice. Once done, validate tech compatibility and pick one LMS plus one live tool to reduce friction. Make sure to set a tight 1-week pilot with clear roles so you can iterate fast. Start building one core module now: learning objective, 10-15-minute micro lecture, and a 5-question quiz. This first action creates momentum and reveals gaps to fix before full rollout. You now assemble the middle build. Sequence each module with a short lecture, an active practice, and a formative check. Once done, balance synchronous meetings with asynchronous work, giving clear time budgets so learners know expectations. Make sure to reuse templates for slides, prompts, and rubrics to speed production. Integrate automated checks in the LMS plus instructor reviews. This dual approach catches learning gaps and keeps engagement steady while you scale the program efficiently. You launch the pilot, monitor completion rates, scores, and learner feedback to know what to refine. Once you collect data, prioritize fixes that impact learning most and deploy updates quickly. Make sure to retrain facilitators on changes. For final rollout, stagger cohorts to control load and refine support documentation. If things go wrong, first check tech, bandwidth, permissions, and assessment settings. Resolving those usually restores function and preserves learner trust while you implement deeper fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.